Sharpener is the hottest selling handheld knife sharpener in America. Go to blocksharpener.net, see demonstrations, and to order online. Fast, free shipping.
Now you take the biggest hatchets you got. Really? Put them in there. These pins Rockwell over 69. On this particular item, it's flat on one side, beveled on the other. You hold the flat side to the pin, draw through. The other rod will pick up on the edge. They said, we're American made, I will sharpen any blade. Block Sharpener. Hi, I'm Paul Block, and today I'm going to sharpen up this old rod axe. I found it in the Webster Flea Market down here in Florida. And it's from the turn of the century. Guy was telling me probably the early 1800s, or the late 1800s, early 1900s. They used them for making beams. It's got one side's flat, one side's beveled. Just for to give you that straight cut to make a beam. Well, we're going to show you today that the block sharpener is going to make this much sharper than it's been in a couple hundred years. My sharpeners are unique. They got this flex that follows any edge, any angle, and I'm finding I can sharpen all kind of stuff other sharpeners just cannot do. Show you what we got going here. Leave it the weight of the axe, pull it across. Wants to cut, but not quite. Take some fruit, a little grapefruit. Kinda, but let's see what we got going there. Alright. What we want to do now is sharpen it. So what I did is I bolted one down to the end of the table. And what you're going to want to do is you can bolt it down or nail it down. Put a little bit of oil on there. Using honing oil. You can use cooking oil, peanut oil, 3-in-1, don't matter. There's a little dimple right there in our sharpener. That's a hole that goes through. That's one we recommend you use if you're going to screw it down. Okay, here's how it's going to work. I'm going to put this on the side here. Keeps the flat side flat. Bring the back of it up. The pins are going to adjust so they pick up on the original edge. Slide them through. Very, very hard to feel. I have to say it is picking up pretty good. Let's hit her a few more times. Now if you don't have a place to bolt it down, you could do this in your hands, but you got to be really careful. Yeah, it is dangerous, but just run them through. So let's see what it did. Look at that. Several pages now. Now to take them even a step farther, I found any kind of cardboard works. If you drag your blade across it, you can do this with knives, anything. Bring it back the other way. Wow, if you could just feel that edge. It's pretty, if it don't, it's, yep, look at that. Shaving sharp. Block Sharpener, 100% American made. We will sharpen any blade. Visit our website, theblocksharpener.com, and learn more about us. Yeah guys, almost forgot about the grapefruit. Well, that looks a lot better, don't it? Block sharpener. It will sharpen any blade. I'm doing hatchet head, stainless steel, 440, German, Damascus. These pins Rockwell over 69. I'll get the hardest knife you got, good and sharp. Made in America, not in the donga. 2 for 30, guys. Anyone else carry a knife? I'll show you guys they work. Don't cost you nothing. I'll sharpen any blade. They're 100% American made. You run big old hatchets through there, cleavers, garden tools. Run them through there. As long as you got some bevel on them. One side flat, hold the flat side against the pin. So we're American made, I'll sharpen any blade. Sharpening a battle axe. Tampa, Florida Gun Show. Sharpeners are made to flex so they pick up on the original edge. Take that original edge up as sharp as it'll ever get. You see it works. 100% American made, lifetime guaranteed. The block sharpener will sharpen any blade. American made knife sharpeners. 100% American made. We'll sharpen anything with a blade. Brand new tomahawk right out of the box. A little bit sharp. Watch this. My rods are made to flex so they pick up on any edge, any angle.
Oh, it looks really easy.
It's very easy. It takes out the guesswork, and when you draw through, you can only get sharper because it's squeezing back on your edges. Watch this.
Wow. That's amazing.
That'll scalp someone. Block sharpener, 100% American made. I'll sharpen any blade. Much sharper. Much. Sharpening a battle axe. Squeeze them in there tight, draw through. It's coming in now. Difference. Said these don't tear the metal off, they're squeezing your edges together, honing. There we go. Ready for battle, my friend.
There we go, ready for purchase, my friend.
Thank you. Oh, let me give you your case back.
Yes, please. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Nice.
Appreciate it.
What a nice knife.
Squeeze back and tighten them up. I found I can sharpen some of the hardest objects there are.
Pretty much every adult uses a knife of some sort, whether you're
I did
cooking,
make it
hunting, fishing, or
for
working.
knife, kitchen
Pretty
knife.
much every adult can use a block knife sharpener, the hottest selling handheld knife sharpener in America. These sharpeners take little to no steel off your blade and deliver razor-sharp results. The block knife sharpener is great for fillet knives, kitchen knives, pocket knives, everyday work tools, and more. A dull blade's actually more dangerous than one that's sharp. Stay safe with the block knife sharpener. See demonstrations or order online, blocksharpener.net. Lifetime guarantee and free shipping within 24 hours.
Sharpeners are American made, and we will sharpen any blade. It gets very sharp. Block Sharpener. We will sharpen any blade.